We are talking about governance coming through with the expectations of the citizen. We're looking at e-governance, which can be having a good effect as far as citizen services are concerned. All in all, when we look at this, there are different opportunities. And Goa, as a IT destination, we need to ensure that the verticals which we are trying to give trust to, it might be blockchain, it might be 3D, it might be robotics, it might be AR, it might be VR, it might be machine learning, it might be AI. I think all these things in a block we have started working on. The commitment to this from the state is very clearly seen by hosting of this international blockchain congress conference in the state. It was in Telangana for the last 2 days. The third day is in Goa, and we are trying to impress upon that how we can blockchain can change the future. It is something. It's a solution provider to everything in the world, and for that, if you're talking about blockchain, it is too. I would say it is in infancy stage. Adapting to blockchain in government is one, but taking it in making it as one of the major focus areas in Goa gives a lot of push to the startups. We are committed to the startups. Our policies are committed to the startups. And when we talk about blockchain, if it's just in the infancy stage and it's starting to move out, I think this is the right time for startups to innovate and come with solutions. If we talk about startups being problem solvers, then innovators, Goa is a place where they can come together. They can have a lot of thoughts together. We have the concept of digital nomads coming in a big way in the state. So these concepts will allow us to have the talent pool right. Goa is having the robust infrastructure. We are having a high talent pool. We are having good connectivity. We are having all the needs, all the requirements what an IT industry would need. And when we take Goa on this particular map, we would say if blockchain needs to be taken ahead, startups can get a push through the policies. Startups can innovate, digital nomads can come in, and the high talent pool that we hold can participate in giving blockchain what it needs to grow.